In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form 1095-A in the Deductions and Credits section of your tax return. If you received health insurance through the Health Insurance Marketplace, it's important to enter the information from your Form 1095-A carefully. This form is used to report your marketplace coverage, along with the monthly premiums and any advance premium tax credit amounts connected to your plan. Entering it correctly helps make sure your return is accurate and can prevent delays in processing. To get started, go to the Deductions and Credits section of your tax return. This is where you'll find entries related to expenses, credits, and other tax-related adjustments. Once you're there, look for the medical category since health insurance information is handled in that area. Next, select Affordable Care Act or Form 1095-A. This will open the section specifically designed for marketplace health insurance forms. If you have your Form 1095-A with you, now is a good time to keep it nearby so you can copy the information exactly as it appears. Accuracy matters here, especially with numbers and monthly amounts. When prompted, enter your marketplace state first. This should match the state listed on your Form 1095-A. After that, enter the policy number exactly as shown on the form. Be sure to type it carefully so the system can properly associate the information with your marketplace coverage. Then move on to the monthly premium details from your form. You'll typically be entering the value shown for each month, so take your time and make sure each amount is placed in the correct field. Even a small data entry mistake can affect the calculations tied to your premium tax credit, so it's worth double checking as you go. As you enter the monthly details, compare each entry against your form before moving on to the next one. This can help you catch simple mistakes right away instead of having to go back later. If your form includes values for every month, enter each one as listed. If the information changes from month to month, make sure those differences are reflected correctly. Once everything has been entered, review the section one more time for completeness and accuracy. Confirm that the marketplace state, policy number, and all monthly premium details match your Form 1095-A exactly. Taking a few extra seconds to review can save time later and help avoid corrections. That's it. You've now entered your Affordable Care Act Form 1095-A